Hi, I'm Malavika. I come from India. I reside in a place which is called Kolkata in the eastern part of the country, and I'm a musician. I practice a traditional cult called Baul, and we talk about a lot of things which deals with human souls and the body and the mind. Like it combines the three things, and I think if I am a part of One Beat collaboration programs, I will get to learn a lot of things from different musicians who are coming there from other cultural backgrounds, and I can share and exchange my knowledge with them and get to know a lot of things from them. And together, I believe we can create something which will be absolutely a global thing and a music which will represent different flavors coming from different countries. And I think I should sing a song, and which is a Baul song. It's called Opar Hoye. ওই আমি অপার হয়ে বসে আছি, ওহে দয়াময়, পারে লয়ে যাও আমায়। ওই আমি অপার হয়ে বসে আছি, ওহে দয়াময়, পারে লয়ে যাও আমায়। আমি একা রইলাম ঘাটে, ভানুষে বসিল পাটে, ওই আমি তোমা বিনে ঘোর সংকটে, কি করি উপায়, পারে লয়ে যাও আমায়, পারে লয়ে যাও আমায়। জয় গুরু।